This is a Russian language hospital. Here you will find students who were alone when they decided to challenge the ocean of the Russian language. When these poor students come to me, I try to heal them and destroy their stereotypes about learning Russian as a foreign language. I always try to help these students as early as possible, to help beginners, to help you, so that you don't follow such a difficult, leg-breaking path in learning Russian. I want to show you a straight road. So I'm inviting you here. My name is Anastasia. This is my classroom. Here, on this whiteboard, I help my students build their Russian language neural network and achieve Russian proficiency. I also have a YouTube channel where I have a lot of various video lessons, grammar explanations.
In these lessons, I talk about the most difficult topics of Russian grammar and give explanations that work, explanations that can't be found in textbooks. My viewers notice that my on-the-board lessons help them turn their worldview around and start thinking in Russian.
Just search for ARusPro on YouTube and you will find it. The one thing I still don't have on my channel is videos for complete beginners, for you. That is why today I would like to tell you about the compass in the world of the Russian language that I made for you, my audio course for the very beginners. It differs from other courses for complete beginners since they mostly teach you phrases. My course will lay the foundation for a proper Russian language neural network in your brain. If you are a complete beginner, my course will help you start learning with the right foot. If you have already been studying Russian for a few months, or maybe even for a few years, but still can't speak it well, my course will remedy and structure correctly your Russian neural network, and you will finally start going in the right direction with your studies. The basis of my course is many years of experience in teaching Russian as a foreign language. With this compass, you will find the shortest path to the Russian proficiency. The path where you won't break your arms and legs, you won't get to the hospital, and won't lose your faith in your ability to learn Russian. If you are still with me and want to get detailed information about the structure of my course and why it works, click the Go button. I am already waiting for you. Я жду вас in my Russian language school. ARusPro. Let's achieve Russian proficiency together.